Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Nexo app not working on a laptop. Nexo is a trusted crypto platform that allows users to store, send, withdraw crypto and earn interest securely. And while Nexo works smoothly on both mobile and web, sometimes you may face issues on a laptop and this video will help you fix them easily. First, remember that Nexo does not have a desktop app on a laptop. Nexo works through a web browser. Open your web browser, you can use Safari or Google Chrome, and after that, in the top you can see there's a search bar. Type down nexo.com and enter. And if Nexo is not loading, you can start by refreshing the page over here. Simply refresh the page and make sure your internet connection is stable as well. You can try switching from the Wi-Fi to the hotspot if needed. And also make sure to clear your browser's cache and cookies. You can also cut down any background tabs that has opened, and after clearing you can close the browser completely and reopen it. If Nexo is not still working, you can try opening it in a different browser. Nexo works best on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Safari. Avoid outdated browsers. Sometimes browser extensions add blockers or VPNs can block Nexo. Temporarily disabled extensions can turn off VPN, then reload the site. And make sure you're entering the correct email and password. You can complete any two-factor authentication or security verification if asked, and that's how you fix Nexo not working on a laptop or desktop. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.